Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome to Ashiana Cooking. Before I start, if you have not already subscribed then make sure you do. Also, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, back to the video. It is perfectly cooked. In this video I will be sharing with you a delicious recipe of spicy flavor some Chatpati lamb chops. For this, you will need half kg of lamb chops, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, half-inch piece of ginger. You will need to crush both garlic and ginger. Spread out the lamb chops, then sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt, then sprinkle 1 teaspoon of zira powder or crushed zira. Add 1 tablespoon of the crushed garlic and ginger. You will also need 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Rub this mixture into the lamb chops. Let it rest for around half an hour so lamb chops can absorb the different spices and flavors. Next we will prepare the sweet chili mixture. This will be used later on. For this you will need 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon tamarind sauce also known as imli sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili and garlic sauce, then mix them together. This is what it looks like. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of oregano or you could a herb of your choice, then mix that together. Once the lamb chops have been resting for half an hour, add them to a pot to cook. Cover the pot with a lid until water has been released. I am using a pressure cooker but the lid was placed lightly and not screwed. Pressure cooker or airtight lid will be used later, but not in this step. So, once the water has been released, remove the lid and allow the water to evaporate. When the water has dried up, cook the lamb chops in a pressure cooker for around 10 minutes or until the meat is tender. More water will be released, so dry it all up. Once the water is fully dry, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan as we will not be using animal fat. Add the lamb chops to the oil and fry them until they have an amazing golden brown color. Obviously turn them over to ensure they are crispy on both sides. As you can see they had a beautiful color and looked incredible. Once the perfect color has been achieved, then add the chili flake mixture to the lamb chops. Turn over and make sure that all lamb chops are covered and coated in this sauce mixture. This will add to the flavor and give an even better color. Cook with this for a few minutes until it sticks to the chops. By the way, this recipe can also be used for other dishes not just for lamb chops. So if you don't have lamb chops, you can still try it as it should turn out wonderful. It's all about the flavor and the spices. You will now see a bunch of pictures of the end product. I mean look at the perfectly cooked meat. You would understand only if you tasted it. So definitely try it out. Share this recipe with others. Also I made a salad to go along with this, then displayed the lamb chops on top. I ate them with chapati. You can do the same or with naan bread. They are also edible alone if you weren't aware. These can be eaten with mint sauce or without a sauce was used to make them. They are full of flavor and taste great. I also made 2 other recipes of lamb chops, a salad and mint sauce to go with them, so definitely check those videos out. They all turned out amazing. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the recipe and that you try it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with others such as family and friends. More importantly with the people that do the actual cooking. Also, watch the other videos from my channel Ashiana Cooking. Goodbye.